Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Nikki guys. Today we are going to prepare some callaloo. In Guyana we call it pop choi or white stem callaloo, okay? So here's my ingredients laid out there, so let's go through it and get started. In the bowl here I have some chicken. This will be about £1.5 chicken. I wash it, well season it. It was seasoned since last night. It's very nice when you season your chicken overnight. You can just get a better taste than like when you now season it and now going to cook it. I use green seasoning, chicken seasoning, ginger, of course. When you season up your meat with ginger, you have that amazing taste from it, okay? So if you have ginger, make sure you season up your meat. It could be fish, it could be chicken, it could be pork, it could be in whatever meat you get. Make sure you use ginger. I'm telling you the truth, you will love the outcome. And here we have the callaloo, the white stem callaloo. Here I have about half carrot there, chip right in there. Here I have 2 tomatoes, some shallots, celery, thyme, and so everything chipped together in one. And in my bowl here I have some onion, garlic, finely chipped, 2 different sizes. And in my plate here I have some salt, 2 cubes, black pepper, paprika, and some dry basil and some complete seasoning. Okay, so let's get started. So my cannery is on hot in there. I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add in my chicken now. We're going to fry up the chicken first. So here's my chicken. I'm going to add it in. So as you can see here, I had in my chicken. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to leave it to fire. Every 5 minutes I'm going to check on it. So in all I'm going to leave it to fire for 15 minutes. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, this is how the chicken looks in. I will leave it to fire for the next 5 minutes because we want the chicken to cook right through. Although it will cook again into the callaloo, but we want it to cook right through right now. So after 5 minutes again, I will get back to them. Okay guys, my chicken already finished. So what I'm going to do is add in the onion and the garlic to fry up. The tomato, you guys know me. As I tell you, I like to eat my tomato in my food. I don't like it to melt right out. So this is going to be last. When the callaloo I need to finish. So I'm going to add in this, some of the shallot and stuff. And after that, I'm going to add in the other seasoning stuff. Right, yeah. And I'm going to add in the cube too at last. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, I add in the stuff. I'm going to leave it to fire for a minute. And I'm going to add in the carrot and the white stem first. Okay, the minute is up. I made my pop chai, draining out the water here. I'm going to add in all of this and the carrot. Okay, I finished adding. And to stir it up now. let me show you. So when I finish adding in, I start it up. As you can see here, I'm going to give this for a minute or two, and I'm going to add in the callaloo, and I will show you guys. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is add in the callaloo. I'm going to turn the stove down on low heat. My cannery will look small, but it's not small because when this shrink down, you can see how big it becomes. So I'm going to leave this. I'm going to cover it for a minute, and then I will open it back and stir it. And you will see. I am going to add in my cube now. And the tomatoes. Here I add in the cube and the tomato. When the water dry down, I will get back to you guys. I will stir this in, give it about 5 minutes, and that's it. Not going more than 5 minutes. Okay? Okay. I don't want this to cook right through. I don't want it to cook right through. But as I can see here, it's bringing a lot of water. So I have to leave it out for the waters dry down a little more. And then I will take it off. Honestly, when I even pop dry down, I think it, that I cook right through. And I feel it, that it must still have the layer. I mean, what we will call it? Not like we steam, frying the cabbage, the pop chai, something like that. But as you can see, it's bringing a lot of water, so we're going to leave some of the water to cook down. And probably give it about 3 minutes. By the time then, we will get back to it and see how it is. Okay guys, I turn out the stove. This is the finishing. So I'm going to plate it. Okay guys, this is my finishing. I'm going to have this with some white rice. You can have this with roti. You can have this with rice. Whatever you feel like eat it with, you can eat it with, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Okay guys, and don't forget all the ingredients will be down in the description box below. This is how I'm going to have this with some white rice. As I say, you can have this with roti or bake, flour bake. You can have it with that. Whatever you choose to eat it with, you can eat it with. Okay guys? Bye.